It's hopefully clear by now that being product-led doesn't just involve the product team. It's about the entire company rallying around the product and seeing it as a way to better understand and engage customers and drive key business outcomes. Similarly, AI has a place in every part of a product-led organization. Let's go over how 3 teams beyond the product team can leverage AI to propel their product-led initiatives. We'll start with marketing. We touched on this in the previous lesson, but one of the primary benefits of AI is its ability to fuel personalized experiences at scale. Marketing teams can leverage AI tools to analyze product usage and customer feedback and better understand users' needs and preferences. From there, they can build hyper-targeted in-app campaigns to drive feature adoption, webinar registrations, free trial conversions, and more. Product-led marketers also utilize product usage data and customer sentiment insights to identify power users and potential advocates and engage with them to solicit reviews or testimonials that contribute to the product's virality. AI can speed up this analysis and even automatically suggest which users are potential power users and thus should receive the appropriate in-app outreach. Moving on to sales teams, their AI use cases center around growth. Product-led companies often offer free trial and/or freemium products to let users experience the value of the product before purchasing. Sellers can then leverage product usage data from these free and trial users to determine which ones are most likely to upgrade and purchase the premium product. But figuring out the right users to follow up with and at the right time to do so is no small feat. AI can help sales teams do this more effectively by analyzing user behavior and identifying patterns that signal high engagement and intent. From there, sellers can focus their efforts on the users that are most likely to become paying customers and even use AI to generate personalized outreach copy. Finally, let's discuss customer success. A defining characteristic of product-led customer success teams is that they use data to guide their engagements and take a proactive approach to customer health. They use product analytics to monitor adoption or identify places where their customers might be struggling and collect feedback to better understand and add context to these behaviors. Again, AI can help customer success managers analyze more product usage data and customer feedback than ever before, and then quickly provide insights such as which customers are at risk or which accounts are primed for an upsell. An AI-powered product experience platform might then be able to auto-generate in-app guide campaigns to drive conversion, expansion, or adoption. By automating these types of campaigns, CS teams can spend more time having strategic conversations with customers or focusing on accounts that are at risk of churn. In the background, AI is powering dynamic and targeted in-app campaigns to help teams meet business goals more efficiently and effectively. When you consider how AI can support all 3 of these departments, marketing, sales, and customer success, you can start to see the potential for exponential impact. In the future, organizations might even be able to leverage AI to build a full product-led journey. The marketing journey automatically informs the sales experience, which then impacts the product experience. And finally, data from all of these engagements affects how customer success teams build their strategies. While we aren't there yet, it's exciting to think about the opportunities AI could unlock for product-led organizations in the future.